What is going on, YouTube world? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we have an unboxing of the Galaxy S25 Edge, first flagship of the year 2025 for me, and I'm pretty excited about it. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. Now, I saw some stuff online recently about the Galaxy S25 Edge and how Samsung is just looking to get rid of them. And well, I saw a really good price for this bad boy at Best Buy. Considering what the price was when it first came out, decided to go ahead and get myself one. As you guys can see, I got myself the blue one. I believe so. It's some sort of blue. I just forgot the name of the actual color, but yeah, from the looks of it, this thing is pretty nice. I like the way it feels. It is definitely a super light phone. Like, this is kind of crazy how light it is. As you guys know, it's nothing but a charging cable on the inside of this box here, and some user manuals and stuff. I just don't get it, man. You want all this money for a phone and you don't want to give us a charging brick anymore. And then on top of that, this phone only has 25-watt fast charge. But I complain about it and everything, and I say something in the videos, but then guess what? I ended up buying the phone anyway. This is a flagship phone from Samsung. Basically, it has the Snapdragon Elite processor inside. This device has 12 gigs of RAM. I got the 256, storage one because, you need to have a little bit of space in there. And on the outside, you can see you got a power button, volume up and down key. On the top, there's some microphones. On the left side, there's nothing. Honestly, there's nothing. On the bottom, you can see you got a speaker grill, Type-C charging, and a SIM tray slot. I'm sure it's a SIM tray slot. Could be micro SD card. And as far as the screen goes, I believe it's a 6.7-inch display. I believe it's that size. Let's go ahead and get this thing powered on. See if we have any juice. There it is. All right. So boom, 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 boom. Get this thing loaded up with some information here. And first impressions, man, I can tell you, it's definitely you gotta, yeah. This thing is it's almost like a feather in your hand, man. It's kind of crazy how light it is, but it's super thin as well. And part of the reason why I ended up wanting to get this phone is because I'm a fan of the thin design. I kind of like it. I understand you're sacrificing a couple things like battery life and everything of that nature, but I do like the design of it. It's really nice. Like the way it feels in the hand, and I could definitely see myself getting used to it. And plus the fact that it was on a crazy sale for a 256 model, because getting a 256 model from Samsung is at least another $100, most of the time. And the price that I got this at from Best Buy, it was pretty much the same price as the 128. So just made sense to go ahead and get the 256. Why not, right? Anyway, you guys see there, got to put some information in the device. Now, the only unfortunate thing is that I am going to be transferring data from my Pixel to this phone. So I know it's going to be a little bit of a hurdle because you got to use the I think more than likely I'm going to have to use the Samsung Smart Switch, which, it's not that big of a deal. But in this case, I can't do it because I'm recording this video here. So basically, I'm gonna have to cut the video short here. This is the unboxing of the Galaxy S25 Edge, but first impressions is going to be done more than likely tomorrow. Basically, when you see this video, the first impression video will be the very next day. I'm gonna release it like that. But yeah, so far feels good in the hand. It looks good. It's a very good looking phone. Definitely made of metal on the sides there. I can tell you that right now. You can definitely feel that. Well, it's not plastic. It's not plastic. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video off. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.